Hey folks, welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. It is channel update time. How's it going? This is an update on Monday, September 2nd, 2019. It is Labor Day, and it is the day before a hurricane is supposed to skirt the coast of Florida, and we're supposed to get some action. It was supposed to be here last on Saturday, and it's slowing down, so I don't know what's going on. And I've been holed up on some projects waiting on this. I got Love Minis Orcs Mech Workshop. I got some videos working on that. I do need to know, if you watch this Love Minis, what color do you want these primed? White, gray, or black? Let me know. Let me know in the comments on that. If you watch this video, let me know on that one. I have a tool review coming out soon. It's going to be this little Mr. Hobbies Cordless Router Pro 2. It's pretty neat. In previous videos, I've talked about my issues with this MIG paint. So if you can see that horrible orange peel, from what people have told me, I'm spraying it too thick and too low PSI. I'm going to try to remedy that. Currently, I'm not airbrushing anything due to might lose power or things like that. I also have some mission model paints. After everything clears up, I'm going to be trying. If they work out well, I'll be doing that. I'm also going to be placing an order for MRP paint in the colors for German tanks, because you know I love my German tanks. I got the Berg Panther out. I was planning on doing some more work on that, but you know, everything got held up. But currently I'm building this Tiger 1. I'm not going to paint it because I figured the storm would knock my power out for a couple days, and this would give me something to do to occupy my time. So let me go. I'll go ahead and show you what I got so far. I got this much done because I've been working on it because I wanted something to do. There's been some issues. There's some fit issues and things like that. You know, nothing too crazy, but you know, some instruction issues, some parting line seam issues, and things like that. But nothing I can't handle, and it'll go together. I wish I was gonna paint it, but you know, I just wanted to build something while I had some downtime here. Currently, I put up a video, some tools I used. It was just a video I had in the stash. There most likely will not be a video until the next update video, because I don't have anything planned. I'm not going to be able to video anything, so I'm putting a hold on that. I was planning on putting a hold on Saturday, but now it's today is good. This is going to be, I put up one video. This is going to be the last video until it blows over, and then I'll make some more videos. I'll make another update video, and then I'll make some new content working on the Panther, gluing all what I painted together and spraying the rest with Mission Models paint and not using that MIG paint anymore. So, and then we'll do some weathering and things like that. So that's going to do it for this channel update. If you guys are in the path of the hurricane, be safe. If you're in a flood zone, get out. You guys have a great day. Stay safe. I'm the Crazy Gamer. I will try to stay safe. You guys have a fantastic day.